All right, first grade, our last video for today is that we had some words in our spelling words that are either nouns or verbs, and so I wanted us to review nouns and verbs using those spelling words today. So a noun is, who can tell me? All right, so a noun is a kind of word, right? We call it a part of speech. So when we talk about parts of speech, we mean nouns, verbs, and the other ones that we'll learn later on. But a noun is a person. What else? Good. Place, thing, good, or idea. So I like to say, for the most part, anything that you can see or touch. I taught my class that last year. We had a little rhyme we would say, or a chant we would say, a noun is a person or a place or a thing. Anything you can touch, we'd hit our desks, or see with your eyes. All right, so if you can see it or touch it, it's probably a noun. Let's see, so I'm just gonna show you some nouns that are around me right now. Keys, that's a noun. I'm touching it and I see it, and these are a thing. So a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Let's see. Oh, my book. My book is a noun. So I can see it, I can touch it. All right, any person. So the only person here right now is me, but I would be a noun, my name would be a noun. And then a place, let's see, I'm in a room right now, and a room is a place, so that is a noun as well. So a noun is a, can you say it with me? A noun is a person or a place or a thing. Anything you can touch or see with your eyes. All right, so if we're looking at our spelling words from today, we had two words that were nouns. One of them I already put on the chart because I didn't realize we were going to learn it as a spelling word today. It's the thing that I drive to school in. What is that? Good, a car is a noun because it's a thing. All right, and you know you can see it, you can touch it. All right, it's a noun. The other one is, well, it's a place, and it's actually where I am right now. I'm not at school anymore. I'm at my house. All right, so actually the word that we learned today that was similar to house, what was it, class? You can be looking at your paper if you have it. Good, we learned the word home. All right, so I don't have my nouns and verbs chart with me right now because I came home for a video call. But we could put the word home on our nouns section. But there were also two words that we learned today as spelling words that were verbs. Let's see. All right, one of our words was shut. We said, please shut the door quietly. So remember, a verb is an action. So I like to think if you can use your body to do it, then it's going to be a verb. So is shut, is that something you can do with your body? It is, isn't it? Because you probably shut doors all the time. All right, so shut is a verb. Remember, a verb is an action. So if you can do it with your body, it's going to be a verb. So we'll put shut on our verbs chart. Right. The last one that we had on our spelling words today that was a verb, as far as I can remember, I left my book at school, was cry, right? If you think about it, cry Even though your body might not be moving, cry is something that your body does, right? It makes tears. And if you're like me, sometimes you squish up your face. So cry is an action. It's something that your body does. So cry would be, is it a noun or a verb? Cry. Excellent. It's a verb. It's an action, which is another word for something you can do. All right. So I'm going to put cry on my home version of our nouns and verbs chart. We just want to practice nouns and verbs right now because there's more parts of speech to learn, and the faster we understand and know how to tell if something is a noun or a verb, then we'll be able to move on to those other parts of speech. All right, first grade, well, I have just really enjoyed teaching you literacy so far this year. I will miss you a lot, but Ms. Arnold is going to do a great job. All right, I will see you around school or maybe in my class next year.